Hey there, how are you doing? I'm back on the case and I'm just outside on this terrible grey, wet, damp, cold day here in Yorkshire, and we've got the Positive V dipole back out. Gonna give it a go, gonna get it plugged into the FT-1000 and let's just see what it can do. So we've got the tripod set up. It's just a short tripod, industrial light tripod. There's the Positive V centre, and not so high, but you can see it stretches down that direction, and then that side is up into the air. So we'll just have a quick look and just see whether or not we can get any signals coming in. So just a quick inspection of the other antennas. That's the end-fed wire with the squirrel behind it there running around, and that's just on a ground-mounted post with a good earth strap running all the way back to the house. So as you can see, that's still in good use. We've had that up for quite a while, and in the distance is the Hustler 6-band vertical. This antenna goes right up to the gable end of the house. I'm not sure if you can make it out, right up there where the other vertical in the fog, that's where the antenna drops back down. And of course we've still got the Cushcraft, just not so high again, about 20 feet high, on another homemade tripod system. So this is a Hustler. We've had a few videos in the past about the radials. They're going into the ground now, the grass has hidden them, and as you can see, it's doing a great job. It's been up there a long time, a number of years. You can make out the wire as well as it runs, not so close, but it's about 2 feet away. But today it's all about this one. We're going to try it out and see how it performs. I'll probably try it out throughout the week, so I'll leave it set up in the garden. All right, I'm inside the shack. I've got the FT-1000mp, my old transceiver, plugged in, and I'm on 10 meters. Let's have a go.
Station Echo India 5, please, gentlemen. Only Echo India 5.
So nice signal and reception from November 1 Whiskey. Okay, the signals are nice and strong on the receive.
Bravo Lima Hotel 59. Thank you, November 1 Whiskey.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
To Papa Delta 2.
So nice reception on this Telescopic
Papa Delta 2, Mexico America
V
59.
dipole. Full extension of the lengths, non-resonant at the minute, using the ATU.
Thank you for your call, November 1 Whiskey.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Thank you, it's Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, you're 5 and 9.
Okay, thanks for the 5 and 9. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, you're also 5 and 9 and in the log, thank you.
Thank you very much, 7-3.
November 1 Whiskey and 1W.
So 5 and 9 on the Telescopic Positive V dipole. Just have a quick listen around the band, see if we can pick up. It's a little bit late in the afternoon. Propagation's not so good, but we've managed to work. That particular station using 100 watts and an 8 feet above the ground mounted dipole. Non-resonant length, about, I think the length is about 10.2 meters in total. So a bit bigger than the full wavelength for 10 meter band. So just use the ATU to trim it up. As you can see, there's not much activity on the band at this moment. So I did quite well with that very low installation on that tripod. So yeah, the FT-1000mp.
I don't know if they still got the net. No, they still got the net on 28.380.
According to your website, it's supposed to start at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, Roger. Well, I'm gonna keep the radio on right here. So if I'm trying to get ready, I'm running the water. I gotta get something to eat. So I'm gonna see if I'm able to check in there, Roger.
So yeah, it's 10 meter band with the Positive V antenna with M0YKS, just testing it out on the YAESU FT-1000 Mike Papa with the built-in ATU, of course. So let's just go down the bands now and see what we can pick up. So this is the 12 meter band. Again, not expecting much activity because it's dropping off a little bit.
Bravo Alpha, you are 5 and 7. Thank you. Good luck. 73. You are that? Germany 0, Germany 0.
So quite weak on that band. I'm just going to move down the band Big on that one. Let's just go 21 megahertz, 15 meters.
73, thank you. November 1 whiskey.
So we've got November 1 whiskey. I'll just quite a few in there, a bit weak.
Stand by, guys. Esse é India Mike 169, esqueceu? Obrigado, boa tarde. India Tango 9. India Zulu 7, Queen Echo November 5 and 9. With India Sugar 0.
India Sugar 0, Mike Kilo X-ray, 5 and 9.
Mike Kilo X-ray?
Yes, Mike Kilo X-ray.
Okay, S0 Mike Kilo X-ray. 5-9, grazie.
K1 Charlie, India Tango 9.
A1 Charlie, Papa Juliet 5 and 9. Thank you. You are there?
So some nice reception. Low noise.
November Bravo.
I'll just do a little experiment and just check the tuner, see if we can tune it up on this band. So it's not particularly liking that, so the length must be a little bit out of favour. I'd have to shorten the antenna slightly, but it's working well on reception. So I've got 17 meters now.
Thank you. 73 from a snowy morning in Connecticut. This is N1WNN, Shortcut.
W2026, activator Italy, Italy 6, Whiskey Alpha. Italy 6, Whiskey Alpha.
So certainly doing well on reception. We've already tried it before on that, we know it's good. And the noise level's low, or moderately. So go down to 20 meters now. Pretty confident this will tune, because it's the more or less the half wavelength on this band. So we'll just try it out. And straight away we've got a 1-to-1 resonant tune using the ATU.
You are in the log with 5 and 9. Mike 9 Kilo Bravo November 3 and 3 real report, okay? And now obliviously I listen your call with many problems. Now you 5 and 8 real report, very clear, unbelievable. 7-3 sir, good afternoon. Thank you. India Radio 1 Whiskey Alpha.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra 5 and 9.
Thank you very much for the 5.9. Just testing out a portable antenna. Your 5x9. Thanks a lot. Sounding good. Over.
Yeah, your portable antenna working well. You find dB over 9. I never using preamplifier. No preamplifier. 5 dB over 9. Okay.
Ah, fantastic. Just a tripod mounted about 8 feet and one of the small positive V telescopic antennas, 10.1 meters. So very pleased with that. Thanks a lot. Have a great activation. Thanks for being on the air. 73 and ciao.
Yeah, thank you, sir. For your info, I'm using vertical. Master not vertical. It's a multi-band vertical in the roof. Thank you very much, sir. 7-3.
Working great at my end. Thanks a lot. 7-3. Nice chat. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 7-3. India Radio 1 Whiskey Alpha.
So yeah, first call. Let's just have a quick listen on 20. Obviously working well on this band.
Whiskey Alpha, special code, you are there.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0, question mark, Sierra again.
Okay, good afternoon. It's Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
I got it. Good afternoon. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, you're 5-9, the log.
Thank you. 5 and 9. Ciao. Have a good day.
Ciao, grazie, 73, good luck. Italy 6, Whiskey Alpha, special code, you are there. India, you're 5-9,
So yeah, a little bit noisier, but the time is getting to darkness.
Italy 2, Whiskey Alpha, Q20.
Getting plenty of Italian stations coming in.
America, Mexico.
X-ray Kilo 5 and 9.
Sierra 53 Whiskey American.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra 5 and 9.
Thank you, you're 5 and 9, good luck.
Sierra 53 Whiskey American.
So, tests are looking good on 20 meters, the resonant length that we've got the antenna pulled out to. Not much DX at the minute, but I'll try it out later on in the week and see if we can pick any long distance stuff up. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo. We've got 10 megahertz, obviously working well, 30 meter band, big signals coming in, 40 meters. So I know it won't be resonant on this band. Very nice on the listening. So yeah, for the cost of this antenna, I'm quite impressed with the results so far.
Mexico 9 Yankee, what? Okay, Yankee Lima Radio, 5 and 9. Thanks, Suzanne, Hotel Bravo 9 Whiskey Alpha.
So I'll just try 80 meters on reception, a little bit early. We'll probably check that later. But noise level, typical noise level, and then 160, again, quite noisy. So, quite happy with that so far on the initial tests using the positive V telescopic antenna.
And 3, 2, and there's my low.
As the band closes. Initial test pretty good. 10 meters working, a little bit big with the size, like I say, fully extended. If I shot it down to about 18 feet, it'll be much more effective. Currently, I would say it was 30 odd feet in size. So looking good, especially on 20 meters. Very successful so far.